what you were wearing. The T-shirt.
Icky clothing.
Okay. Right here, represented right here.
Represented.
Makes you incredibly hot.
Yeah, indeed. What is it like to be a part of this show, and then what you do, which is so directly relevant to this?
Well, Hoop Dreams is an amazing organization, and this entire thing tonight was actually for Hoop Dreams. So all the beneficiary of this event was Hoop Dreams. So we really wanted to get people out here. We really wanted to have people enjoy themselves and see the clothing of Icky and then come out in a new experience. And with that, they got a little fun. They got some Georgetown cupcakes, and they got to see the Redskin cheerleaders, and they got to see the dancing of the Redskin cheerleaders. They were also in Icky. I am one of the staff members that is in Icky. I was in the show. And we also had an alumni of Hoop Dreams. His name is Jabbar. He was in the show as well. And so we had two kind of Hoop Dreams that tie in with the clothing and the event. And it was absolutely wonderful. And, Susie K is great. So, she definitely, a lot of the members of the crowd know Susie K, knows Hoop Dreams. And we just had a great experience tonight. And it was absolutely wonderful.
Well, this is where it all comes together. I mean, we had a crowd. It was bumper to bumper here tonight.
It was. When we walked out on the runway, there was flashes everywhere.
Yeah, I saw that.
It was good, especially for a good cause.
You know what? I think DC should be renamed Design City.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, they should.
We're like Little New York.
Little New York. Right? Little New York would be great. And then more events like this, especially for charity. It really is wonderful.
So what is it? I just want to know for a second, what does it feel like when you walk down that tight aisle of folks? What is that experience?
It felt amazing. It felt so wonderful. Going the energy of the music and the crowd and all getting the preparation, the hair.
Yes. Yeah, it looks good.
Thank you.
It looks good.
The makeup, everything, all the prep that went into it, and then getting on that runway and just doing your walk. Just being ferocious and just.
Got it. You got it. I think you're made for this, though.
Thank you.
When did you think you were going to do this? Did you ever start? Did you practice this when you were a child? Or?
All the time. I made my own little runway all the time. I practice when I walk in the street.
I think part of it is you have a gift for it.
Thank you.
You have to have it naturally, and then you can be coached a little bit about, certain other things.
I'm definitely coachable. Always coachable.
Yeah.
And it's wonderful. You have to be very confident, but I work for the cause, so how can you not be confident? I love Hoop Dreams, so you just get out there and it was all for the cause, and you just do your walk, and it went by in like 2 seconds. All the prep, it just flew by, and I wish I could do it again.
Well, you will be able to do it again. I'm sure you'll be invited to do this as many times as you want
I hope so.
Now, what other opportunities do you have? Have you thought about going into the industry, or are you going to stay with Hoop Dreams, or both?
Definitely stay with Hoop Dreams. I love Hoop Dreams to death. If I could do this on the side, that would be great. I would love to do it. I did this type of stuff in college, actually. So I did some runway shows, and I was able to. I tried to go to New York for a bit, and just for fun, And but definitely Hoop Dreams is the main priority for work and everything. I'm there full time.
I want to ask you, have you thought about acting? Have you thought about any type of performance or anything like that?
I love to perform. I'm actually in a chorus, so I do perform.
You're a singer?
I'm a singer with Potomac Harmony Chorus.
Oh, you are? Okay, well, now. Now, you let this out the bag, so I'm going to have to ask you, if you don't mind, just to give us a little sample of your pipes.
Oh, I can't.
You can't do that? No? This is a tough one. What's your favorite song? What's your favorite song?
We do from Blueberry Hill to we do a plethora of songs. But we do have a Christmas show we're getting ready for. And
what's your favorite song? Really, what's one of your favorites?
Love Me Tender.
Oh, yeah?
My favorite, and we do a melody.
You mean Elvis did that one?
Yes.
And you
wonderful.
do it?
Yes.
Whoa.
It's beautiful. 4-part harmony.
Yeah.
A cappella. It's barbershop women's barbershop music. It's wonderful.
What's your range? What would you call your voice range? What would you call it?
Well, I'm a baritone. Okay. I'm a bari.
Right.
And baritones are great. We have that kind of in the background, that haunting, eerie sound, which is we harmonize. So it's great. And but I love to sing, and I love You're gonna get a kick out of this. I love to dance skate. I am a dance skater on ice.
Really?
And yes. And
Oh, wow.
Tomorrow I go for my skating test for the waltz and the rhythm and blues and the constant tango.
Is that roller skating or is that ice skating? Oh, my goodness.
Dance skating with a partner. His name is
Oh, I
Matt.
got to see that.
Yes, you have to.
Where's this going to be? Where's this going to
It's in Reston.
Reston, they have an ice skating rink out
They
there.
do.
And it's getting cold out, too.
It is. It is.
We saw snow here today in Washington,
I know.
D.C.
Can you believe it?
It's amazing, isn't it?
Unbelievable.
Wow.
Yeah,
so
so
we're
I-
back to the Great White North here in Washington.
Yeah, hopefully. And then everyone will just not drive.
Yeah,
they
that's
just
right.
stop
That's
driving.
it. Trauma.
Yeah,
You know,
as soon as there's flurries. they
terrorism.
stop. Yeah.
I'm going to tell you something. I want to see you perform. I really want to see that. And I think all of America might want to see it as well. So, you know, let's do CDs, DVDs, books.
Let's do it all.
The whole bit.
Let's just do it
Right?
all. Yeah, it starts with this.
Okay, so you have your own website with PayPal.
I don't.
Okay,
I don't.
well, let's get
But
that
I am
going.
on Facebook. I am on MySpace. You'll see me on there, so you can find me that way, I guess.
Okay,
Now.
let everyone know how to find you one more time on Facebook, MySpace.
Okay, so on Facebook, J. Logan Cabanis. If you go to even like the Hoop Dreams website, you'll
Okay.
see my name there for the spelling.
Okay.
And you know, on top of that, for my MySpace, same thing, Logan Cabanis. So
All right,
my
well,
name.
you got it going on. Keep doing it. Hoop Dreams loves you.
Yes.
We loved you tonight.
Yes,
You were
thank
fantastic.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
And we love Hoop Dreams.
And Icky loves you too.
And yes, thank you.
I want to do something that all of America would want to
Thank
do.
you.
It's a pleasure meeting you.
Thank you.
Okay?
It's a pleasure.
See
Thank
you
you
next
so
time.
much. I feel honored.
Okay, well, I'm going to see you next time, okay?
Okay, definitely
All right.
do.
You have a good
Definitely.
night.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
All right.